guys, and welcome back. So today I've got a review on the newly launched product from Lakme, which is from their 9 to 5 Naturale range, and this is the product that I'm talking about. Yes, this is the newly launched liquid foundation drops, and this is how the packaging looks like. It is a bi-phase foundation drop, which means that it has two phases to it. That is a makeup product, which is a foundation plus the skincare as well. It is infused with the aloe vera and green tea extract. So we are going to put this to test today. We are going to try it out and see how it works like. So the product that you get with it is 18 ml and it is priced at rupees 500. The shade that I'm using is 03 Silky Golden. So the four shades that they have is Ivory Cream, which is the lightest shade, then the Rose Silk, then Silky Golden, the one that I got, and then the darkest shade is Natural Almond. It says that for best results you can use their Lakme 9 to 5 Naturale Aloe Gel. I have that too, so I'm going to use that. To use, it just says shake well before use, but I did check there on their website. Just take a few drops, like 3 drops. You can dot it all over your face and then you can blend it. It is not suggested whether you should go ahead and blend it with a brush, a sponge, or using your fingers. Let's go ahead and use the foundation first and then we'll talk more about it. Guys, so I'm back with the bare face. I've just washed my face and applied the aloe vera gel that is from the Lakme 9 to 5 Naturale range. So these are like more than 3 drops actually, which I still don't think is gonna cover my entire face, but we're going to try. I'm just going to apply that using my fingers because that is how we usually apply, and most of the people that I know, like my mom and my sister, and they're all like, hey, yeah, we don't really use the brushes and the sponges that you use. We just quickly go ahead and we blend it like that, just using the fingers, right? So I'm just gonna try that method. I'm going to dot it all over my face first. So as you can see, 2 to 3 drops are not enough. Quite a lot at the back of my hand. It's quite runny, as you guys can see. So as you can see, and the rest I'm going to take it on my hand. It's a very sheer coverage and it blends really nicely with the fingers as well. So it does say that it is a buildable foundation. So I'm going to apply a few more drops like around my nose and just a little bit over here, which I can see is not covered yet. So let's go ahead and try that. So this is how it looks like when I've applied the second layer. It's not really a full coverage, but because it is a 9 to 5 range, so it looks like a natural finish. I do like the finish with my fingers, not something that you can go ahead and wear it for a full coverage, like for a party or something. But if you're going to work, like sometimes you need a foundation that can go ahead and give you a natural finish. It's just for that, just like a light to sheer coverage. So if you have a lot of marks on your skin or something like that, then it might not work for you if you're looking for a coverage. So once you're trying to build it up, I don't think that it really works because the layer that I applied before, it kind of moves. So now I'm just trying to use my sponge on top of this just to see if everything sets in. But you can definitely use it with your fingers, like everybody wants you to use it, like a lot of them, because more than half of my friends in my family, like my mama and my friends, my sister, and they're like, we don't have that much of time to go ahead and use a sponge. So we just quickly go ahead and use our fingers to blend it. So okay guys, so this is how it looks like, and I'll just go ahead, do my complete makeup, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back with my makeup, and this is how the final result looks like. This is how the foundation looks like on my face. So it's not really a full coverage foundation, but it is good for an everyday use. So this is how the product looks like inside. This is the packaging. It is really tiny. When I saw it, I was like, oh, it is like so cute. It's really tiny, but I was like, for 500 bucks, is it really worth it? But this is a glass bottle, so it makes it a little difficult to travel with it. And also, once you open it, it does not have any pump or anything of that sort. It's just like this. You just have to take it at the back of your hand and then you can use it. I would prefer something with a dropper or something of that sort. So what I liked about it is really lightweight. Yes, you don't really feel like a foundation on your face. It is a natural foundation, and then on your skin it gives a dewy finish as well. I did set my under eyes because I applied a concealer on it. So will I go ahead and buy it again? I don't really think so, because for the same range, my favorite foundation is Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So whenever I go ahead and try a foundation, I go ahead and compare it with that foundation, that whether it can replace that foundation of mine or not. And if the answer is no, then of course I'm not going to purchase it. So I don't think it can replace my Fit Me foundation, and the quantity with that is even more with the same price, which we even get discounts. So that is like 30 ml and this is only 18. So no, I don't think that I'm going to purchase again. Next, I think it is a little pricey with the size of the foundation. It's like, I know it's cute, but no, I'm not gonna pay 500 bucks for the cuteness of the bottle, right? So yeah, I think it's a little pricey. Range is always a problem with Lakme. They just have like only 4 shades to choose from. It says it's a lightweight fluid texture, blends seamlessly into skin for buildable coverage that increases with each drop, giving you a natural dewy finish. Antioxidants and SPF 30 PA++ help fight the damaging effect of city pollution, so you keep your everyday perfect look. Alright guys, so that was all about the review of this Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Foundation Drops on the Bi-Face Foundation. So I hope you guys find this review helpful. If you guys did, then please mention that in the comment down below. I also tried the gel liner, which is this one right here, and if you guys want a review on this, I have applied that on my eyes today. I'm going to record a video on this one too, so make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and you click on this notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys soon in my next one now. Bye.